Script. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll guide you on how to integrate Zapier with ChatGPT so you can automate conversations, generate content, and enhance workflows using AI. First, log into your Zapier account and click Create Zap. For the trigger, select the app or event you want to start the automation. For example, this could be receiving an email or a new form submission. Next, for the action, search for ChatGPT or OpenAI in the Zapier app directory. If you don't see it directly, you can use Zapier's webhooks feature to connect with the OpenAI API. To set up the connection using webhooks, choose the custom request action and configure the HTTP post request to the OpenAI API endpoint. You'll need your OpenAI API key, which you can find in your OpenAI account dashboard. In the request body, include the prompt you want ChatGPT to respond to. This prompt can be dynamic, pulling in data from the trigger event. Once configured, test the Zap to ensure ChatGPT generates the correct response based on your input. Finally, you can add further actions in your Zap to use the AI-generated content, such as sending an email, posting a message to Slack, or updating a document. Integrating Zapier with ChatGPT opens many possibilities for automating tasks, improving customer support, and boosting creativity with AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials.